Hi parents, I just want to take a little bit of time and show you this annual progress report. It gives kind of a quick snapshot of how your child is doing and whether we're seeing increase in scores, flat line of scores, or decrease in scores. So the first thing you want to do is you want to look to the top of the page. Um, it should have your child's name. This is an old sample paper, but I boxed it out here. But it should have your child's name, and then in the top corner should be a symbol that says star reading or star math. The other thing we really want to pay attention to is down here at the bottom. This is the chunk of the information. It's got the different days we take the test, the scaled score, and the grade equivalency, along with the percentile rank, which is the main things we're going to focus on. We only have to take the STAR test a couple times in the year, but I like taking it at least every month or so to kind of get a good reflection of how the students are growing. So with this student, we took the test October 1st, and so his blue dot is here. The scaled score is just the amount of points given after the test is over. It is computer adaptive. So his was a 210, and his grade equivalency is 2.1. So the first number is the grade level, and then the decimal is the month. So 2.1 means he was at a average of second grade first month reading level. His percentile rank was 42, so compared nationally, he ranked in the 42nd percentile compared to peers in second grade across the United States. So in this graph, you can see the different points going up and down. It's not unusual to see points decrease like this. Like I said, the test is computer adaptive, but it can depend on a lot of other factors, like if students had breakfast, if the internet was acting funny, if they weren't feeling good, so on and so forth. But you can tell that overall the student is improving. When you look down at the bottom, you can just see the different tests. He started at a second grade first month and he ended the year at a third grade fifth month. Now, I have to say, grade equivalency does not mean that this is the grade the student should be moved to. It's just a quick kind of snapshot of where the student's reading ability is and their comprehension level. Um, in order for them to be at that grade equivalency level, 80% of the words that were on the test, they had to be able to read and answer a question with comprehension. So by the end of the year, the student was 3.5 or third grade, fifth month. So it was obviously some nice growth. This will happen with the same thing on math. So hopefully this helps explain it a little bit better. If your student sees a lot of flatline or decline, obviously there might be something else going on, and I would love to talk to you about it. As the year goes on, I hope to see more growth in all of our students. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you soon.